Okay, you guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of my daughter's empty apartment. I'm gonna help her decorate. I'm gonna have some fun doing this apartment. So I'm standing back. This is her dining room here. And this is the kitchen. I'm loving this counter space here. And she has a lot of kitchen counters. Look at all these cabinets. She has her dishwasher. Look at the nice stove, Whirlpool microwave. I'm loving the zinc. I like the fact that this comes down like this. Really, really nice. And I'm standing, I like the lights that's hanging from the bar area here. And this area here, because I told her she can make this either a coffee station or a bar area. Then she has her pantry here, which is a nice size for her and her boys. And again, standing back in the kitchen, that's her living room area. And this door here, this is actually a half bath, and I like this as well. Turn the light on. It's a half bath. Bedroom townhouse. So I'm going to take you guys upstairs. So as you walk up the stairs, you can see her little wash area here. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see. It came fully equipped with washers and dryers. And her little washroom. Hallway, going to her bedrooms. Okay, I'm going to start with the boys' room here. This is the boys' room here. And the closet is over there. So I've turned the lights on, still in the boys' room. Just doing a pan around. And here is the closet. I'm loving this apartment, kind of making me want to move into an apartment. Okay, now I'm coming out of the boys' room, going into the boys' bathroom. I'm loving this bathroom. This is a nice shower. The boys are gonna love this. The storage area here. Toilet down there. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the master bedroom, which is my daughter's room. It's a nice size. And I'm loving these swing out doors that this apartment has. So now I'm just going into the master bathroom. It's really nice. She has his and her zincs in here. Toilet area over there. She has a nice garden tub. Circle shower hook here. And then she has a nice size walk-in closet, which I'm loving so much. My closet is narrow. Her closet has a little width to it. Okay, so I've turned back around. So I told her I'm going to have so much fun helping her decorate her apartment. And then here's her little closet for her essentials. Coming back out. See those swing out doors? I'm loving those swing out doors. Yeah, you could see the doors swing out. So I'm just going to close them. Say hi, Latrell. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
So this is my daughter's apartment and I'm going to be helping her decorate. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. You guys can look forward to me having fun decorating this kitchen first because I love it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.